First, open the VT UC Bridge software, then click Settings and choose the preferred soft phone by clicking the gray area and then selecting Avaya Workplace. Now in Avaya Workplace, click Settings and in User Preferences page, click Audio Video, then select BT100U, the prepared dongle of VT B320 for all of the audio devices, microphone, speaker, and ring. And finally click Done. First, open the VT UC Bridge software, click Settings, and then select 3CX as the preferred soft phone. Now, go to the settings page with 3CX, click Audio Options, then for the audio devices, select BT100U for microphone, speaker, and ring, and finally click OK to save.